Hey everybody, so that doorknob's been sticking for quite some time. Eventually I want to replace the whole front door, but we're also planning on repainting our house and redoing some of the siding. So until we do that, that's when I'll replace the door. For now, I just went to Home Depot and got this, basic, nice, flat black doorknob. So we're gonna replace and swap out the sticky doorknob for a new one. Give ourselves some room to work. So naturally it's going to be really windy on the day I'm going to do this, but first off, we got to remove the old doorknob. Start by removing these two Phillips screws on the inside of the doorknob. Having a long attachment on your screwdriver really helps for this. Alright, just make sure you catch the other side of the doorknob so it doesn't fall off. One side and the other. Okay, now it's time to unpack the new doorknob. First, I'm going to take that out and just see if the mechanism that is inside is working properly. And maybe you don't have to swap that out too. And I'll just try out the new doorknob. So you can see the new doorknob has a new strike plate and a new mechanism, but they look almost identical. So just want to see what it was that wasn't working, if it was the doorknob part or if it was the internal part. Some screws. So first thing you do, you make sure that the lock side is on the outside of the door and the internal mechanism is on the inside. You know what? I think that mechanism inside is bad as well, so we're going to replace that. Move the old guy here. Just make sure you're paying attention to which side this locking mechanism is facing. We have our nice brand new one. Slide it in the same way that one was facing. Get our nice new black screws. Get that in place. Pass this through. through there. And that. That is how a door is supposed to operate. That is so smooth and nice. Still a little bit loose. Oh, duh, it's one of those self-unlocking, door locked, door unlocked. Boy, I'm super glad that I did that ergonomic desk setup so that way I can still screw my back up with other around the house situations. Don't forget the keys. Here we have it. Doorknobs on. So in all honesty, this might be the smoothest operating doorknob I think I've ever used. You could see how easily this door just shuts. I don't have to struggle with it at all now. Maybe that other doorknob was just so bad this is a world of difference, but I really recommend this Schlage brand Bowery knob, and the matte black just looks really nice. Check it out. Close that with 2 fingers now. It used to be so hard.